Cleaning after canine parvovirus is a critical task for any dog owner. This virus is extremely resilient and can survive in the environment for months, even up to a year in the right conditions. It is not killed by many common household cleaners or by simple soap and water. You must use a disinfectant proven to be effective against non-enveloped viruses like parvo. The most accessible and effective disinfectant is household bleach. You need to create a specific dilution of 1 part bleach to 30 parts water. This solution is powerful and must be handled with care. Before you even begin disinfecting, you must thoroughly clean all surfaces. Parvovirus can hide in organic material like feces, vomit, or dirt. So, you must first remove all visible contamination using soap and water. Once the area is physically clean, you can apply your bleach solution. Apply it liberally to all hard, non-porous surfaces. This includes tile floors, sealed concrete, food and water bowls, plastic crates, and toys. The most important step is contact time. The bleach solution must remain wet on the surface for at least 10 minutes to effectively kill the virus. Do not just spray and wipe immediately. Let it sit and do its work. After 10 minutes, you can rinse the surfaces with clean water and let them air dry completely. For soft surfaces like bedding, blankets, and clothing, the situation is more difficult. Many items may need to be discarded because the virus can be hard to eliminate from fabric. If you choose to wash them, use the hottest water setting possible and add bleach to the wash cycle. For outdoor areas like yards, disinfection is extremely challenging. The virus can persist in the soil for a very long time. Remove all fecal matter immediately. You can use the bleach solution on concrete patios or walkways, again ensuring a 10-minute contact time. However, you cannot effectively disinfect grass or soil. These areas will remain contaminated for many months. It is best to prevent new puppies or unvaccinated dogs from accessing a contaminated yard for at least a year. Always wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area when using bleach. Protect your skin and eyes. Remember, proper cleaning is not just about wiping things down, it is a meticulous process of removing organic matter, applying the correct disinfectant, and allowing for sufficient contact time. This is the only way to ensure the environment is safe for other dogs. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more essential pet care information.